I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name.
Hi guys, it's Laila Loves and I want you to get to know me a little bit more, so I'm going to take you around with me today and show you my collection.
Oh, I wish the sun.
So I became an influencer when I was about 19, and back then influencer wasn't a thing, it was more like a blogger. And I had a website where I would document all my photography. I studied photography in school, and then I went on to talk about weight loss and self-confidence, and that kind of merged into fashion and beauty. So it's been like a really nice wave. But yeah, when I started being an influencer, it was not an influencer, it was just a blogger. So when I'm shooting photo content, I plan my outfits like a week in advance, pack them all into a bag and go and shoot. And whenever I'm filming video content, I kind of just think of it on the day, to be honest, like just like really cool makeup ideas that I want to film. My style icon is Kim Kardashian. I love the way she dresses. I love that she mixes sexy with classy and all the styles that she has. I chose In the Style because I love what they stand for. They're inclusive, they're diverse, and they have something for everyone. My family background is Moroccan, but I was born and grew up in London. So if I could describe my style, I would say cozy, sexy, and comfy. So when I was thinking of a Instagram username, this is how I came up with Laila Loves. I was trying to find a username that had two L's, so like lovely Layla, and then I thought like, Laila Likes, and then I thought, oh no, Laila Loves sounds good, because I can put loads of different things under one umbrella, like fashion, beauty, or basically everything. So something that you guys might not know about me is that I speak fluent Arabic and I speak Laila.